Hi, I'm Hayley Sparks, skincare expert, and I'm going to talk you through the perfect evening skincare routine.
Hi, my name's Beck and I don't really have a nighttime routine, so I'm looking forward to hearing Hayley's hints and tips today.
In the evening, it's vital that we remove all the makeup or any kind of dirt that we might have on our face that builds up during the day. So the first step we need to take is to use a good cleanser so we can take everything off and make our skin fresh and clean. So I'd recommend just applying a small amount to moist hands of the cleanser. Just one pump is all you need. And just blend it between your fingertips. Take it straight to the skin, and then you just want to go around with circular movements, just really rubbing it into the skin. This is going to lift away and melt away all the makeup that we might have on our skin, remove any dirt, any sweat, any dust pollutants that might be on the skin. It's just going to take it all away.
It smells so good. What are the ingredients?
It's packed full of yummy ingredients, including cocoa butter, nettle, and horsetail. So the skin feels really refreshed after you've used it. So once you've finished massaging it into the skin for a few seconds and you've really gone over and make sure you've lifted everything away, I just recommend taking a face cloth in some cool or lukewarm water, squeeze out the excess, and then just go over your face just to take the cleanser away. So our next step is to exfoliate the skin, and I'd recommend that you do this once a week as part of your beauty regime. So first of all, we're going to wet the face, just dampen with some lukewarm or cool water. Then I'm going to take the exfoliating bar, just dip it in the water, and I'm going to pop that directly onto my face. And just start gently buffing away all those dead skin cells.
It's really cool that it came in a box.
Yeah, that's what I really love about this brand, is it's really eco-friendly, there's no plastic, there's no added water, so it's great for your skin and great for the environment.
So how would you wash it off?
So to wash it off, I would take a clean face cloth, and it's really important that you do use a clean one every day because unfortunately they are a breeding ground for bacteria. So the next step in the routine is to use a toner, and it's really important because this is going to remove any dirt, impurities that might still be in the pores even after you've cleansed. Apply the toner straight to the pad and then just literally dab it over the face just to make sure you're really getting away any of those last traces of makeup that might still be left on the skin, any impurities, any dirt, any grime from the day is all being taken off as this final step.
So what's the difference between this toner and any other toner?
This toner is fantastic because it's been designed to help against all the pollutants and the daily stress that our skin faces. It contains lactic acid and AHA, which is really good for resurfacing the skin. The lactic acid in the product also gently exfoliates the skin surface as well, so it feels super toned and smooth after you've used the product. Beck, for you or anyone else that is prone to blemishes and outbreaks, I'd really recommend using the oil control lotion as part of your evening routine. Applying this to the face is going to have many benefits, reducing oil production. The salicylic acid in there is going to be fighting the acne while you sleep.
So how often should I use it?
I'd recommend that you use it daily. The next part of the routine is to use an eye cream. I'm so passionate about the importance of including this in the routine. This is a lovely, lovely product. It's so easy to use. It's actually a little roller ball, so you can just roller it underneath the eye.
So do you just apply it to your under eye?
Once you've rolled it back and forth a couple of times and you can feel the product on your skin, just take a finger and actually you want to dab it round the orbital bone a couple of times, just gently.
So the whole eye area?
Yeah, that's right, just gently dabbing it in, and you'll feel it's really refreshing as you put it on the eye. And this actually contains caffeine as well, which is a really powerful ingredient when it comes to helping with dark circles, reducing puffiness, also brightening around the eye. In the evening, it's really beneficial to add a night serum. This is going to deliver really powerful active ingredients into the deeper layers of your skin so they can get to work as you sleep. So just pop 1 or 2 drops onto your fingertips, and then I like to just push the serum into the skin, not forgetting to apply to your neck as well and your chest.
So what are the ingredients in this?
This serum is absolutely jam-packed with some of the key anti-aging ingredients, including vitamin A, carrot seed oil, which is really nourishing, vitamin E, all to help promote softer, smoother and visibly younger looking skin. I love that the serum is getting to work in the deeper layers of the epidermis, so it's doing all its work as you just gently drift off to sleep. So the final step in our skincare nighttime routine is to apply our night cream. So just as you would your day moisturiser, just apply, gently rub into the face, like a massage in. Don't forget the neck and the chest area as well.
So what's the difference between using a night cream and a day cream?
They tend to be thicker in consistency. You don't have to worry about them being lightweight like you do with a day cream, because we're not going to be applying our makeup afterwards. So they're thicker, the ingredients tend to be very active, so they're working on rejuvenating the skin overnight as we get our beauty sleep. I really hope you enjoyed those tips and learning how to create an evening skincare routine. Thanks so much for watching.